about meditation and prayer, actually, and the idea that you can make it your own. You can make it to spec. You can create it as a process exactly to your liking. I had a client the other day, and we were talking about how she could develop her intuition. And she asked, how do I make myself meditate? I don't like it. I started asking her some questions, and as it turns out, she, by her own words, is not a morning person. I totally understand. I am not either. She was trying to make herself meditate by getting up even earlier to have a couple minutes to meditate before work. That would be like a setup for disaster for myself as well. That would be great for somebody who loved the mornings, who naturally woke up early enough to do that and would enjoy the process. I would be like a struggling, moaning wildebeest if I had to do that. And what would happen is I would then transfer that dislike of getting up even earlier and making myself do it at an unnatural time. And then I would take that and I'd be like, I don't like meditation. When really it's just, I'm not a morning person. I could do it at 1 a.m. far easier than I ever could get up an extra half hour earlier and get my stuff together and do it. So when it comes to something that you have this inkling to incorporate into your daily life, go with it. Trust that. Trust your gut. If it's trying to tell you, yes, we want to explore in this way, build it in such a way that works with your preferences. There is no right or wrong. Your life, everything about your life, not just your spirituality, is a living piece of art. You are the artist. The poet William Wordsworth used to basically channel when he was pacing back and forth in the wilderness. He didn't call it meditation, but that's what it was. My favorite place to meditate? Well, that's not true. I've got two places, and they're both totally weird. One is a huge copper pyramid. I love it. And when strangers come over my house, I blame it on my children. I'm like, oh yeah, that's their fort. It's not their fort. No, it's a $200 copper meditation pyramid I like to sit in. My other favorite place to meditate is the freaking bathroom. I love meditating in the bathroom. I've done some really great work in there. Now that's me. I have a certain set of beliefs and convictions, and I will talk to God or my oversoul or anyone while I'm naked, while I'm in the shower, while I'm on the toilet. I don't care. I see energy. I know that other beings are not seeing me pee on the toilet. It doesn't work. It doesn't look like that. It doesn't work like that. No one, no entity is seeing you naked. They're seeing your light body. That's it. And in terms of being bashful, I don't get into that either. I don't care. I am just a tiny, squirted out little blob of God paste. Nothing he hasn't seen. So I do my meditation a lot. Like, truly, every time I go to the bathroom, I'm definitely praying. It's just a natural thing. So please make these things. Don't think of them like, oh, I gotta find some way to like shove some frozen broccoli into a smoothie and get it hidden and down my throat. It can be a joy. And that can be a huge part of it, is actually figuring out, well, what is it? What does this look like to me that I like? How can I bring my own personality? Because we're supposed to do that. Our personality, our ego is a tool. How can you mesh your personal preferences into something that you want to explore? There is no right or wrong. There are no rules. Huge. That's huge. I just hope, if nothing else, I hope you hear that. You are the master artist of your own life. You are limited only by your imagination. So if you want to try out meditation, get it done. Create your custom order, wacky or not wacky. Practice. It's all beautiful and it's all living art. So please don't be thinking there are rules or ways to do things or anything regarding spirituality has any set of parameters in place that you've got to adhere to. You are God. You are creating as you go. You can choose to stay in the rails. That's absolutely up to you. But I have found the most meaning in doing things in a way that's unique to me. Thank you for liking, for subscribing. All my thanks and love.